Today we have a new CarPlay screen we're installing. Here's what it looks like right here. It is a split screen. It's got YouTube, Netflix, TikTok, and CarPlay, also a reverse camera. Let's get into the unboxing and check out this screen. This was sent to me. It is not a sponsored video. We're giving you what I think and my reviews. On to a quick unboxing of this video CarPlay. This is the Volam 10.25 CarPlay screen with Netflix and YouTube, reverse camera, voice assistant, touchscreen. I'm going to be installing this in my 67 C10. Comes with the screen, very good, very nicely built. On the end there's micro SD card, USB-C, auxiliary, and this does have a rear view camera. The mounts, two types of mounts. This one can put on your dashboard or a suction arm. We will decide shortly what we're going to use. Comes with all the tools to tear apart dashboard if you're doing a newer vehicle, and auxiliary cord. Here is the power adapter, so I can just plug this right in, USB-C output, and then a USB for auxiliary, different accessories you might have. Also a sticky pad for use on the suction. And last but not least is a rear view camera. Let's get into this install. If you haven't seen it yet, this is the screen that we put in before. I like it, but it's a little too big. Nothing's wrong with the screen. I'll link that video below. But they reached out, they wanted to send me a new one. It's got, like I said, it's got Netflix, YouTube on it. And you can see the size difference comparison. Let's get to mounting this and see how it looks. It's a real quick, easy install. Here is what I decided for the mount. I'm going to use the suction cup mount. Depending on your dashboard, you could use this mount right here. This is a 3M adhesion tape. If I put it back here, it'd be a little too hard to get on and off if I wanted to remove it. If I just wanted to keep it there, that might work. But I'm going to put it right here, so I will show you how it looks. So something like that right there. I got to adjust it and all that stuff, but that's about how it's going to look. Let me plug this in and we'll get back into it. Here is the final look at it. It's suction there. It's resting on my dash here. And that's going to be a lot better for my liking than the other one. The other one's set up like right here. Obstructed a lot of vision. Let's get into this. Let's peel this off. Let's turn it on and check it out. All right, we have a welcome screen. I'm just going to leave it on. It might drain the battery. So English, United States. I'm going to do the controls on the left side. Oh, right there. Okay. And there we go. It is already, wow, TikTok, YouTube Music, Netflix. This thing is going to be great. Let me get into setting it up with my phone, pair it up, and I'll be right back. So we'll go to CarPlay on here. Here we go. I am connecting right now. T88, whatever. Maybe it's not this. Let me go to CarPlay. CarPlay. Maybe I connected to something else. Let me finish setting this up. Yep, T88RX. Says it right there what to connect to. Pair. I'm allowing it to sync to my phone. And CarPlay device found. It's that easy, you guys. And boom, here we are. So let's go to YouTube. So there we go, we're connected to our Explorer, YouTube. Let's get into this. On my Wi-Fi. So I think you must have Wi-Fi in your vehicle. So this will be great for newer vehicles if you want to use the YouTube, the Netflix apps. They did send me this. This is not a sponsored video. They sent it to me. They've seen that I do CarPlay screens. They like them. So please, I'll drop all the affiliate links below, and if there's any discounts, I'll put it on the screen. But don't forget, hit that subscribe button, like the video if you're liking this type of stuff. If you've used this screen, let me know what you think about it. It is very, I like it. It's small, it's compact. See, make sure you subscribe. Turn that subscribe notification on. Let's check out one of these Tour and Explore videos. Here we go, we are loading up the video. Of course, commercial ad. But if you set up your account, there'll be no problems. Heck yeah. So we can also you can do a split screen on this. Okay, CarPlay. There we go, right there. I can have maps on one side, audio or YouTube playing on the other side, Netflix, anything. So the nice thing about this, there is speakers on here, but you can also pair your phone up to a radio and use that at the same time. And just like all the other ones, radio, all that good stuff. So features that are included, of course, connect to CarPlay and use, map navigation, built-in streaming media such as YouTube and Netflix, a reverse camera, and the split screen function, which we are seeing the split screen function right here. I'm going to hook up the camera. We're going to see the quality of that. But overall, I'm really impressed, and I like the way this looks. Let me know what you guys think. Let's check out the reverse camera when it's daylight outside. All right, so here's the screen, split screen. I won't be using my rear view camera because I have a wolf box up here, which is awesome. There'll be an install video coming for that. But if you're looking to use it, it is, I mean, it's pretty clear. It's getting dark outside, so you can multi-use your screen, do the split screen, all that stuff. Go back to the full screen mode. These features over here is where you select. So you can select reverse on this side. You can select a lot of other features. Like I said, I map over here, reverse camera here. You can also hook this up to your reverse switch. I can play some YouTube music. I don't want to play anything because it'll be copyrighted, but this side can be all your CarPlay stuff. Any apps, anything you have, Waze, podcasts, all that good stuff, radio. Overall, I'm very impressed with this. Let me know what you guys think, and don't forget, if you're interested, use the discount code. We'll link all that stuff below. That's it for the install of this screen. It's awesome. I like it. It's a lot better than the other one for me. If you do want to check out that video, I'll link it on the side. But it's skinnier, it's more compact, less like standout-ish. Awesome screen. I would recommend it. Only 140 bucks. You cannot go wrong. There might be a discount code. We'll drop it below into the description. Go support them. They supported me. They sent me this screen for free. Not sponsored, but they wanted my review and what I thought of it. And overall, I'm very happy. We'll see you guys next time. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, join the channel. We go to car shows every week. We're also doing build series on the C10. We'll catch you in the next video.